Dining etiquette can greatly enhance your experience at dinner parties or formal settings, and it primarily involves using utensils correctly. There are two main styles: European, Continental, and American. In both styles, the fork is held in the left hand and the knife in the right, with the fork's tines facing downward while cutting and upward when bringing food to your mouth. For the American style, after cutting a bite, you switch the fork to your right hand to eat, while in the Continental style, you keep the fork in the left. Always keep your elbows off the table, and remember to rest your utensils on the plate rather than the table. Understanding the table setting, which may include various forks and spoons for different courses, is also key to navigating meals with ease.